Hey guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashifs World. So today we're in Darlington Town Centre and we thought to ourselves, you know what, we're going to have a Manjaros parmesan today, and so we're going to go inside Manjaros here. So here's all the menu here, guys. Look at this, different kind of variety of foods they do. We're going to go for the parmesan, so let's go inside and let's table, guys. And again, we've got the menu in front of us, and we've got all the sauces options here, so you just put all your sauces on yourself. And we've got our cutleries here with napkins. This is all the seating areas here. This is where they serve the drinks there, and there's plenty of seating areas here. So here's your drinks menu here, guys. So they do a bit of everything here. And this side as well, you got your desserts, you got your wines as well.
Would you like to have some glasses of water?
Glass of water here, guys. Look at this. We've got ice in there as well with this nice straw. You got your straw there as well. That looks good. So here we are. We've got our Hotshot Parmo here. We also got our fries, and we also got our nice salad. Right, let's give this a taste. You see here, guys, you got all your chili flakes here. Now you got your spices. Wow. So here we are, guys. Look at this. Let's give this a taste. Very nice. Plenty of flavours coming out of the Parmo. It's nice and hot, and it's absolutely incredible. It's fresh as well, and it's beautiful. Really nice. Let's give the fries a taste. Look at the fries. So first of all, nice thick fries. Good potato content as well, really good. The fries are a bit salty as they got salt on it, but overall really good fries. It's amazing. Let's try the Parmo with the peri peri sauce. Wow, nice sauce that. It's really nice. So we just finished our meal there, and I must say this was awesome. The Parmo from Manjaros is obviously number one on the list, as is a good quality Parmos. We've enjoyed it, and I'd just like to say that if you guys like your Parmos, come and try it in Manjaros, and I'm sure you will like it just the way we've liked it today. You get your sauces there, you get your garlic there as well. Finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.